everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. I have recently moved out, so I'm still getting used to the new routine, everything, and I have to obviously adapt even like KezziesCorner things and all that, and I'm still getting used to all of that. Today I have my hair up. I don't usually have my hair up, but I was like, I'm trying out new hairstyles, and from the front it looks normal, but from the back it looks cute, no? Well, it probably looks messy, but it's fine. Today's video is going to be me sharing with you my first ever Sephora haul because Sephora is freaking available finally for Maltese. If you didn't know, get to know. Because I found this out of like, I was just looking at Feel Unique, because actually when you receive the box, you get the box from Feel Unique, but it's like a sister website. I don't know how they did it, but then you can access the Sephora website for UK. Will ship to Malta. The shipping takes a bit long, so don't be alarmed about it, but definitely the support service is amazing as well. So I have some products I want to try, which I am looking forward to, and so yeah, obviously it's a little bit of products because you know your girl is quite broke. So but I did shop this because they had Rare Beauty and I have been wanting Rare Beauty for so long, so I made a haul of Rare Beauty, plus I got 2 more items which I wish to share. I've also made another order because I need to order the niacinamide. I got it from The Ordinary, and I had to get some more skincare bits. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay. So if I sound blocked, because I was sick, basically. I have 2 things which are not from Rare Beauty. So I got the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, which I use on the daily, every morning and every evening, and it helps with getting my skin the way it is. Ignore psoriasis, there, that's psoriasis, so ignore that, but it's fine. But the niacinamide helps restore balance in my skin. So yeah, and with my new order of Sephora, I've actually ordered the hyaluronic acid because my beautician told me I need some hydration, drinking enough water apparently, so yeah. And I got that one, and then I got also Alzeic, I think it's called, something like that, but it's actually for psoriasis and eczema, which I can actually apply over there where I'm getting around my hairline, which is very annoying. Okay, then I also got the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, which I cannot wait to try out, obviously. I got mine in the shade 1N10, which is this one, which I think is quite a good shade. So I can't wait to try this, but I will try this in my next video, because today I'm going to be dedicating this video to Rare Beauty, because why not? So let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to be applying this one. So this is the Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. It is a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets and refreshes skin. So I'm going to use this as my primer. Don't know if this is going to work, but it's fine. So this is it. I mean, the packaging is absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to try it out. I've never tried it out, so let me just check the spritz. Ah, there it is. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Can I just say that this smells really nice? And I'm just going to look at my skin. Obviously, I've got a lot of redness around this area. I don't know, it feels really like refreshing on the skin, I must say. And I just love the bottle. The bottle is absolutely cute. So cute. Oh my god. I don't want to prime my face with more products, basically. I think I'm just going to use this one for today, and then we'll set it up with this as again. I don't know. I'm just going to try it out, because basically I just want to try some Rare Beauty stuff. Okay, so the next product, which I have always been seeing so many comments about, is the Liquid Touch Fond de Teint, no, Weightless Foundation. Now, this is the foundation. Unfortunately, I don't know if I got the right color. I blended it into my skin, and it does blend into my skin. However, I've never tried it obviously on my face, so I can't wait. But this, oh my god, I've been seeing so many pictures of this, and I finally have it. So we're just gonna try it out. Whew. Oh my god, that's my telephone. Basically, I have an old vintage telephone. Hello. Hello, Nana, good morning. So I'm going to be using this. By the way, this one is the 200C. I have no idea if this is the right shade, but we will see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put some on my face, and hopefully it will blend into my kind of shade. I'm just going to get my Real Techniques brush and I'll just blend it. Okay, so it looks a bit orange. I'm sure it will blend, right, Kez? I mean, it has to. So I'm just gonna get my mirror quite close so I can see what it's doing. Are you guys watching Love Island of the UK? So here's the foundation applied. Wow, I really like this foundation. Number one, the color is not that bad actually. Like for summer, it's going to be perfect. Maybe like for winter, it's a bit on the orangey side for me, but it's fine. I make it work. Like now when we put the powder and stuff. But for the most part, like if I put down my lights, like this is without the ring light in front of me. Quite good. My goodness, I'm quite impressed actually, guys. Yeah, I'm impressed. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on some concealer, some powder. Ooh, wait. Let me put on some concealer and then I'm going to put on this one. I was gonna forget. So just using a NYX Bear With Me concealer. Absolutely love this one. It's a bit weird because you have to actually pop it out, but it's fine. So what I like doing is I like boop, boop, boop. And then if I want more, I'll just add as I go along. Very, very good concealer and it goes very well with the Bare Beauty foundation, honestly. I'm happy with this. Like even though I thought I got a very bad shade, I think I made it work. It's quite, okay, there's a bit of difference. Maybe I should like drag it down. So this is a Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in Believe. And I'm going to be applying this and I'm really excited. Look how cute! The product is adorable, guys, honestly. The packaging of Rare Beauty, she's done a very, very good job. So, it comes like this. So I'm just going to tap, 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 tap. Yes. Ooh, I think I did too much, didn't I? This always happens, guys, honestly. I just need, looking for the brush that I usually use though. God, here it is. My God, I hope it will like blend. But it's cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set everything up using my NARS setting powder. This is the translucent crystal. But I like my base. It's very natural, very pretty, and very soft as well, like very soft glam, which I really like. And like the blush is quite shiny as well. Like my skin looks really glowy, which is really good, which is something I like having, obviously. I'm going to go do my eyeshadow and my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So I just did a very simple eye look. I posted, well, not I posted, I didn't post anything yet, but I've recorded a reel. Hopefully it will come together okay. And now, before I continue, I also wish to share another product because we have this one right here. So this is the Perfect Stroke Mascara Volume Universal in black. And I'm very excited to obviously try out her mascara as well. And obviously the packaging is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. Look at the packaging over here. I'm going to show you the wand before I curl my lashes. Obviously messing it up. The packaging, I mean. Okay, so this is the wand right here. Looks quite shonky. Okay, so I'm not going to curl my lashes because why not? I really, really like this mascara. Separating my lashes really nicely as well. Those are the eyes. I really like how the eyes came. I think they came so pretty. Now, honestly, I don't really want to apply any bronzer because I feel like, I don't know, I really like how my skin is looking and I feel like that is more than enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just set my face again. So now for lipstick, I actually have this one. So this is the Lip Soufflee Matte Lip Cream in the shade called Courage. Oh my God, it's really raining outside. This is the shade, obviously, like this is a Kezia shade. So this is called Courage, I think it was called, right? Courage. So we're just going to apply this one. Really like this look, honestly. It looks so pretty. And the lipstick, I want other shades, definitely, because it goes on so nicely, so smoothly, and so soft, guys, honestly. I really love this look, how it turned out. And I'm just going to have a look again at my face, basically, because that is mostly what we tried on. Like, I really love the primer. I feel like this 4-in-1 really does have a very good 4-in-1 because it does a very good job at priming my face and also setting it all up. Like over here, that's a dark spot for sure. That is a freaking dark spot, but it's fine. 4-in-1 primer is absolutely amazing. The foundation, I absolutely love it. It looks so spectacular, honestly. And I really love the mascara. I love the blush, and I absolutely adore the lipstick. I really want to get more shades in this. Like, do you have this lipstick, and what shades do you recommend? Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, that is basically today's video. I tried out my first Sephora haul, my first products from Rare Beauty, and I'm just so happy with them. Honestly, they are a very good brand. Like, Rare Beauty really did its job at like wowsing me, basically. That's a word, basically. That is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really starving now, so I look forward to our lunch. I'm going to be eating chicken noodles today, so that is exciting. I hope you have a lovely day. Please guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and yeah, I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!